Hello and welcome to a new channel Fhlwee. On this video we will talk about the protection online. Majority of us we have mobile phone and we use it for videos and pictures. And when you upload your image or your video online, you are not sure is it protected or not. And on this video we will try to learn how to protect your videos online. When you upload your video on social site or in a website or whatever, you need to protect it from bad boys on the internet. For this tutorial I will use program. It's on the internet, you do not have to buy anything. It's available on the internet. It's called VSDC. This is the face of the program when you open it. It's a video editor program. As you can see in the top here, VSDC, video editor. Okay. When you open the program, this is the front page or the face, the program's face. You will go first to project like this, and here you have lines and you have some icons. When you click on each one of this, it will do something. Here I'm not going to talk about the program itself, VSDC, because I will make another tutorial, another videos to explain how to work on VSDC program. It's a good program actually, and it's free, it's on the internet. But our video today, it's how to protect your videos online. So for this I have a small short video I created myself, and let me bring it here and to see what we will do on this video. I will click in this add video and I will go here to this video. Okay, I will click OK, and the video, it's coming on the timeline here, as you can see. It's a video, just some image. I take it in a beautiful park, and I need to add something here to protect this video and to claim my copyright. Otherwise, anyone can take this video from whatever social site or whatever website, and they can claim it's their video. It's not yours. To protect this, we have two things we can do. We need to create a watermark here, or we can put an image as a watermark here. We will do both. So from the beginning of the video, I will just make the video run like this. Okay, now I will start to add the watermark on this video. First of all, I will go to edit and I will come here on the T. Can you see T? It's text. I will click on this and I will choose text. I will click OK. Then I will open this in the middle like this, and I will see and I can type my video. Of course, you can type whatever you want, your name or the place or a code or picture. You can put whatever you want. Then I will change the font of this because the size. And I will choose bold. Okay, and I will choose I can change the fonts from here, by the way. I can do this one like this. Okay, that's fine. And I can change the color of the video. Of the text. I can make it red. This one, right? Okay, and I need no, I need to remove this to make it transparent. Nothing here. Okay, now I have this on the video, but it's too large and it's too visible on the video. It could damage the video itself. For this reason, I will make this a little bit small like this. I'll put it on one side here, and on the edit here I will click on this one. Can you see this one? More tools. Click here and take this one back like this. It will reduce the capacity. Okay, so now let's see this. Let's play the video and see how it looks like. You see, during the video, this watermark, it will stay in the video all time. Okay, during the video. Of course, you can put it in a short time or long time or half of the video or the whole video. It's up to you. You can change it from here, but I recommend to leave the watermark the whole time your video. Okay, this is one way to put a watermark. Let me delete this and I'll show you something else. I choose this one and in the keyboard I choose delete. It's gone. To put a text, you see how to do it. Now I will show you how to put an image. I will click on image here, add image, as you can see, and I will go to this Fhlwee channel or Fhlwee, any. This is image. I make it early this text as an image, okay? And I'll put it here. Then I will choose the size, okay? And then I will place it, let me place it this side this time. Okay, and as we did last time, you remember we went to more tools here, click on this and reduce the capacity. Okay, now let's play the video and see how it looks like. Okay, now we have a watermark on the video, all direction, all the video from the beginning to the end. Okay, also you can reduce this. You can come in the middle here and you can stop it without watermark or whatever. You can do whatever you want, but I recommend to keep the watermark in the whole video from the first second until the last second of your video. Once you have this in a place, no one can take your video and claim any copyright, because you have for example your name or your place or your website or your web page or whatever. It's entirely up to you whatever you put as a watermark. And once you have this, no one can take the video or claim the video or claim a copyright on your private video. I hope you learn how to add watermark on a video. It's very simple and it's very powerful and it's very important. Very important. Okay, and of course, maybe you will use this program, or you may use different programs, or whatever you know in your program how to save the video after that. It's just here. It's a project, expert project, and this program expert project, and you choose for whatever site you will use it for, or whatever size for mobile phone or for another computer or whatever. You come here and you give your video a name, and then you click export project. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please write it to me on the comment below. And if you learn how to create a watermark for your video, please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you can receive more videos. It's coming in the near future. Thank you very much and goodbye.